dreams convene. You clicked and watched and laughed along. Together we grew brave and strong. Each come and let the story bloom. From cozy rooms to virtual Zoom. From top high, give us a cheer. Building up this bond so near. Thanks for watching, thanks for being in this realm of endless dreaming. Every like and share and view makes this magic feel so true. From midnight snacks to morning rays, we've journeyed through these endless days. Your support is lifeblood pure. With every click you give us more. Keep on watching, stay right there. Stay asleep or wide aware. We're here for you, you've been so kind. In this world where hearts align. Here's to laughter, tears and fun. To every single one of us. Playing under digital sun as pixels turn to stardust.